Welcome back to Cash Collect. Today, we have some exciting news that could put money in your pocket. Facebook is settling a $725 million lawsuit, and you could be eligible for a share of that money. In this video, we're going to show you step by step how to claim your free Facebook money. So get your pens and paper ready, because we're about to dive into the details. Let's get started! Let me fill you in on the details of what's happening right now and why you shouldn't miss it. I don't know if you're aware, but Facebook was recently involved in a major incident involving one of the largest breaches of user privacy in the history of social media. In 2018, it came to light that Facebook improperly shared the personal information of over 87 million users with Cambridge Analytica. Who the heck is this mysterious Cambridge Analytica anyway? That's a great question, and I'm happy you asked. To put it simply, this organization, which posed as a data analytics firm and offered services such as targeted marketing and political campaign strategy, misused an app named This Is Your Digital Life to gain access to private information belonging to millions of Facebook users. This program was presented as a quiz to Facebook users. Access to your Facebook profile and the profiles of your friends was provided to the app once you finished the quiz. No longer was Cambridge Analytica the owner of the app. This app wasn't made by Cambridge Analytica. Someone else did the collecting and selling. After compiling psychological profiles of Facebook's millions of users, Cambridge used this information to target voters with political ads during the 2016 election. You guys, there was a lot happening. Things are about to get crazier, but I want to make sure you're up to speed on everything you need to know to understand how this has affected you and how to participate in order to gain access to the funds at hand. This is where things start to twist though. This entire incident took place back in 2015, and Facebook was well aware of the data leak. But guess what? Nobody was informed. They did not alert their users that their data had been compromised, and they did not take the essential precautions to prevent further breaches. They said, "We didn't take a broad enough view of our responsibility, and that was a big mistake, and that was my mistake, and I'm sorry." What response did Facebook make then? Facebook simply requested that Cambridge remove the data, to which Cambridge promptly agreed. Nevertheless, Facebook took no more action until 2018, when the matter received widespread media attention. At that point, strict measures were implemented to protect users' privacy and sensitive data. That's when the legal threats started arriving at Facebook's doorstep. And after years of fighting, the company finally agreed to pay out the $725 million in question. This is one of the largest privacy-related settlements ever reached, and it requires them to pay damages to all 87 million impacted consumers. Is that you? Then, it's time for us to find out. And now, the information you've been waiting for: how to determine your eligibility and submit an application. First, you qualify if you had an active Facebook account between May 2007 and December 2022. Second, your account must be based in the United States, as it is where the majority of the affected users reside. You have until August 25 of this year to file a claim in order to receive a portion of the $725 million up for grabs. They haven't decided how much of the $725 million you'll get just yet. Lawyers and others who worked on the settlement will need to be paid their fees first. How much you get left over after those costs are deducted is determined by a combination of two variables. First, the volume of claims submissions suggests prompt action. The second factor is how long you've used Facebook. You'll get more money if you opened your account between May 2007 and December 2022 than if you opened it in 2020 or 2022. For more information about the Facebook user privacy settlement and to submit an application, visit facebookuserprivacysettlement.com. It's important to note that before submitting any personal information, it's essential to conduct proper research and ensure that the website is legitimate. Upon reaching the website, you'll be prompted to provide personal details such as your name, address, and email. In addition, you'll need to answer specific questions, including whether or not you were a Facebook user between 2007 and 2022, and if you lived in the United States during that time. If your account has been removed, you'll need to specify the month, day, and year it was created and deleted. It's vital to answer these questions truthfully and accurately to ensure that your application is processed correctly. To learn more about the settlement and the potential compensation you may be eligible for, be sure to check out the related reading material included on the website. It's crucial to take the time to educate yourself fully before proceeding with the application to ensure that you're making an informed decision. To complete the form, please provide the email address, phone number, or username associated with your Facebook account. You can choose any one of these 3 options that work for you. Once you have provided your account details, the next step is to decide on the method of payment. For safety reasons, PayPal is the preferred method of payment. It's a secure and reliable platform that provides protection against potential fraud and ensures that your payment is processed efficiently. After selecting the payment method, it's time to sign, date, and return the form. This step is crucial as it indicates your consent and agreement to the terms and conditions of the settlement. Be sure to read the terms and conditions thoroughly to ensure that you fully understand the agreement. Submitting the form and providing your account details and payment information is an important step towards receiving compensation through the Facebook user privacy settlement. Take the time to review and fill out the form accurately to ensure that your application is processed correctly and that you receive the compensation you deserve. Patience is key when it comes to expecting incoming cash, but it's important to be cautious of fraud. To safeguard yourself, it's advisable to conduct thorough research on the settlement and website before providing any personal information. This ensures that your personal information is protected and you can confidently move forward with the transaction. With time, the funds will reflect in your bank account balance, giving you the peace of mind and satisfaction of a successful transaction. In today's digital world, it's crucial to exercise caution and diligence to avoid any potential risks. And conducting research is one of the best ways to protect yourself from fraud. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to get paid by only using a Facebook trick. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.